hearty good afternoon to everyone. First of all, everybody has spoken everything, yeah. I don't know what to speak. First of all, I would like to thank Khan sir because I have been a student of foundation course of the Bhopal Center, and I started my journey in around second year of my college. And after that, I came in contact with a lot of things because I didn't come to Delhi. So I had this in mind कि कुछ छूट नहीं जाए, कहीं कुछ रह नहीं जाए, कहीं हम कुछ छोड़ ना दें. तो I tried to gain as much as I could from the internet. And whatever websites, whatever online resources, PIB, PRS, these are the things that I kept referring to and made my own notes on it. And coming to other perspective, you know what, I'm really short of words. I don't really know what you have heard. I've not been here. So there are two things that come to my mind, and I'll just say that. One is about the preliminary examination. Before prelims, 15 days before prelims, I talked to Khan sir, and I was not scoring good. Matlab, I used to do about 50, 55 correct, and then 15, 20 wrong. So my score was not on the level which I could get into. But then Khan sir said that, you know, thoda attempts badhao or thoda negatives pe work karo. So what I did was I tried to analyze my mistake. कि वो mistake अगर हो रही है तो why is it happening? Whether it is a knowledge gap कि something I have not studied, या फिर it is an over risk कि नहीं भी पता है 1 in 3 लग रहा है but still I am attempting it. So I would say if you're facing such a problem close to the examination, don't get bogged down. Work on identifying why you are making it wrong, and that will help you to understand how to work on it. That is the one thing. And the second thing which I would like to say is about answer writing. KSG actually really pushes you for answer writing, and that's a great thing. We get to have that CIWP, Abhi, and before that we have this where the question used to be there and there was no keyword. So we used to write it, and the sir would say, the evaluators will tell you ki what they thought you have written. Now this exercise is really important because many a times tail words are there, we miss on that and we write the entire answer. But they have asked something else. So work on the answer writing part really well. For that, I try to make my own notes from the newspaper, the editorials, and different websites like the Live Mint, where we get good news on economy, good articles. So try to note on that. In terms of polity, the PRS Legislative Research is a good website which can help you to get a gist of the different laws and viewpoints. And another thing that really helps you in the entire prep is the debates, the big picture on Rajya Sabha TV. Because the panel which is there really discusses things in a comprehensive manner. So keep yourself connected to these things and utilize the current affairs to add up to your preparation. And yes, another thing when it comes to answer writing, I would also say that work on your presentation. Many a times it happens that we work and study from the same books. So how is it that you want to make your answer copy stand out from others? So for that, you know, add some facts to your answer. Start with the definition, give some fact. You can quote some indices, for example, some index that in this environmental protection index, India has got this rank or something like this. So put up these, the salt in your answer. You can also quote some reports. Which are there, the government reports. You can also go through the Niti Aayog 3-year agenda, action agenda. That's a really good document. So any such government document, authentic, can be really helpful for adding value to your answers. So that is from my side. And thank you so much for lending me your ears. Thank you.